Hi there, it's Nikos here and welcome to the 20 Pips for Breakfast strategy. And yes, the strategy is as great as it sounds. So let me start right away. Many traders have issues making and keeping profits in the Forex market. And I receive emails almost daily telling me that, hey, I'm trying for so many years. I've tried everything. I still can't make it. So it's really sometimes it's, pardon my French, it's pissing me off sometimes to hear that, because I know that that is not true. It's really easy to make the profits if you just focus on something really simple. So what I did, I created this special focused Renko chart event just to make sure that the traders gain confidence, that they can make daily between 10 and 30 pips, on average 20 pips, with no stress, no hassle, just focusing on one little thing. You don't need a very relaxed environment. The only thing you need is to see and understand a specific pattern and just repeat it in the morning during London session, if you like, US session, Asian session. It's really about, it's your choice. And that's what I want to achieve, that people gain their confidence again. And I really need only like 15 minutes to explain this strategy to you before we go live and trade it together for 3 days. That means that I'm not only explaining the strategy to you, but we are going to sit together 3 days. We'll probably choose the London session for this. It's all recorded in case you can't make it, but we will sit there, look for setups and trade it together 3 days to get so you get really used to the strategies. You can apply it right away onto your charts. I also know that many traders say, hey, you are in a different position, you have big trading accounts to trade, but what we do is different. We will take a small account. We start like the average trader with a mini or micro lot account and actually trade small tiny lots and start to grow even a, let's say, $100, $200 or $500 account slowly. So you see it works for you. And this way, with really great money management, you can trade it on all kind of account, let's say, account sizes. You can have a $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 account and do the same thing, or you can just, as I said, grow a tiny account, $100,000, $200,000, $500,000 account slowly to get good in this and really have this instant gratification. Okay, let me show you some details here. Just for you to know, I used this strategy about 10 years ago when I was scalping and day trading a lot in the Forex market, but now the volatility has changed a little bit and I had to make some small but very powerful adjustments and tweaks to this strategy, and the Renko charts are really helping a lot there. So again, I want to show you in 3 steps in an easy way to profit from the Forex market and gain your confidence back in trading. The 3 steps are preparing your charts. We use the Renko charts again just to make this clear. Look for potential setups. Activate your NTA indicators and trade. Those indicators, the first one, there are 2. The first one is for you, so you actually have Renko charts on your MT4 MetaTrader 4 platform. Some people don't have it, so you get it for free. And the second indicator will send you alerts. It will send you alerts when setups are in making, so you can actually place your orders manually, or you can also place pending orders. It's totally up to you. But I really want to point out important things here for you. I want to read them to you. You can also read the details again in bullet points below the video. I just want to make clear to you how powerful this is and to show you that this can be really for you. First of all, it doesn't matter if you're new to trading or advanced. If you like scalping, day trading or swing trading, it works really everywhere. I only use one pattern and repeat it all the time. I use a simple Renko chart for this, so nothing fancy. You will receive the NTA Renko chart indicators, as I said before. The value is $350 for this for free, and the other one, so together about $500 value. I'm using an indicator to receive the alerts, so you don't have to stay in front of the PC. It's important. Some people just want to or are busy, want to go places, so you can just get an alert, get on, and if you see it, you place the order and it's done. I only need 5 minutes to prepare, which is very, very important. Again, I place my trade manually or with an order, as explained before. Some things I say twice or sometimes 3 or 4 times, but it's really important for me that you see this. I can use it on multiple Forex pairs, but it also works if you just choose one pair, so you can really focus. You can make the same profit, sometimes even more, if you focus on one pair. You will get all strategy details, rules in a PDF as well. All 3 sessions are recorded in case you can make it live. You have email support afterwards in case you need anything. And you will be able to scalp with and against the main trend, and also in a bigger range. I will show you that live, of course. You will train your eyes super fast and actually enjoy it. And the most important part is that you will get used to make profits daily. This is so important, right? Remember the confidence and the instant gratification. So this will boost your confidence, and you will feel, sorry, my typo here, that making profits is normal and not an exception. Of course, you want to follow the rules, the simple rules, in order to make that happen. You will have an 80 to 90% winning ratio if you do this correctly. And this is about volatility and getting in and out. It's not about following a big trend. You can, and I will even show you how to do this. This is the additional strategy and trade money management here. But again, it's optional, okay? And you can trade in all the markets if you like. What we have to just remember is that we need, if possible, low spreads for scalping and day trading. Now, if you do swing trading, it doesn't even matter. And the only thing, again, you need is a MetaTrader 4 account, if possible, a small live account, or to start with, you can also, of course, use a demo. Okay, I also want to show you a chart, how the chart will look if you actually trade this. You see, it's very simple. It's not complicated at all. I have only Renko charts here. I have my classic EMAs on the charts. I'm looking for low spreads, and I can find easily setups with drawing a couple of trend lines, doing a quick approach on different settings. It will take you a minute to do this, and then you go in and quickly go out. Of course, we need to identify ranges. We need to trade also. We can also trade against the main trends, but only if it makes sense. I'll explain all the details to you. It's very simple, and most of the trades, if you do it right, work. Sometimes they don't work out. I give you an example here. So we have a clean money management, and then you get more chances to get back in later on. This was a live example done. So price went down, we took the profits quickly, and it's over. So again, I prepared a couple of charts. Here is another one, trading with and against the main trends. It doesn't really matter as long as we have volatility. The whole trick is to identify volatile markets to get in, quickly take out the profit, and it's done. Another example, I'm not so sure how much you can see, but the charts are here. I'm just scrolling down. I'm just practicing this for you on a really small account, which for me needs actually more patience because I'm not used to those small lots. But really, that's the way to grow, to get into some day trades and scalping trades. You can see the days, just getting in, getting out. I'm also doing it a little bit aggressive sometimes. So in this case, I did it for a couple, I think 1 or 2 days, actually 3 days, and made about 150 pips. Now this is in micro lots, not much. It's about what, $11-12 so far. But with mini lots, it's 100 or something. With the standard lots, it's $1,000. So it's really about leveraging everything, getting used to it, and then just get in and make it. Okay. Again, if you do this right, you will have 80 to 90% winning chance getting in, getting out, just following simple rules. Please, everybody, do yourself a favor, join now. About 50% from this event will go to charity again. It's a 3 days event. It's live and it's all recorded in case you miss a session. Hope to see you there. Enjoy the rest of the day, and like always, happy and healthy trading. Bye for now.